Today I will show you how to construct a segment congruent to a given segment. First, you're going to get the straight edge and make a longer line than the segment given. Next, we are going to make a point on the line. Next, you will get your compass and place the needle on point W and stretch the opposite side to point X and draw a tick mark. Now you're going to transfer the length of segment WX to the segment we're constructing. Place the needle point and then draw a tick mark on the other side. Now we're going to mark a point on the intersection of the tick mark and the line. And name it. Name it YZ. Finally, we're going to write the congruent statement, which is the segment of WX is congruent to segment YZ because the length of segment WX is equal to the length of segment YZ.
Today I will be teaching you how to construct a midpoint. First, you place the needle on one of the points of the segment given, and you try to spread it more than halfway. Now, we're going to draw a tick mark on top of the segment and on the bottom. Okay, now you get your straight edge and you draw a line where the tick marks intersect. Okay, now you mark the midpoint and you name it. Okay. Finally, we're going to write the congruent statement, which is the length of segment AB is congruent to the length of segment BC because point B bisects segment AC. And we also have to put the tick marks to show that they're congruent.
So today I will be teaching you how to construct an angle congruent to a given angle. First, you get your straight edge and draw a ray longer than ray CF. We're going to put the needle on point C and stretch the compass across ray CD and stretch it more than halfway. Then, draw a tick mark. Then we're going to move the compass across ray CF and draw a tick mark. Now, you will be repeating step 2 and draw a tick mark with the same measurement as the last one. But this time, you will draw 2 tick marks in the top by moving the needle and putting it on the first tick mark. Then, just draw another tick mark right there. Now we get a straight edge and draw a line where the 2 tick marks intersect. And then name the ray. Now we're going to do the congruent statement, which is angle DCF is congruent to angle ABG because the measurement of angle ABG is the same as the measurement of angle DCF. After we have finished all the steps to construct an angle congruent to a given angle, we're going to draw a curve on both angles and draw 2 tick marks in the curves to show that both angles are congruent to one another.
First, we're going to put the needle on point B. Stretch the opposite side of the compass more than halfway and draw a tick mark on ray BA. Do the same for ray BC.
Put the needle on one of the tick marks and make it smaller than the other ones. Then do tick marks on the interior of the angle.
Well, he could survive that long.
Now, get a straight edge and draw a ray from point B
Next, we're going to name the ray and do the congruent statement.
They didn't have so much together.
The angle ABD is congruent to angle DBC because the measurement of angle ABD is equal to the measurement of angle DBC.
Last but not least, we're going to put the curves on each angle. Put tick marks on them to show that they're congruent.
Today I will show you how to construct a segment congruent to a given segment. First, you're going to get the straight edge and what?
Okay, now you're going to get your straight edge and draw a line. Where's my pencil when I look? You stepped in it! Girl, I was like, okay. I was like, let me try to play this cool. No contaba con las. Today, I will be teaching you how to construct a midpoint. First, you place the needle on one of the points. On one of the points of this. Start over.
Next, we'll be placing the needle on point.
Okay, wait 3 seconds. Wait 3 seconds.
It was 3 seconds.
No.
First, we're going to put the needle on point B. Stretch the opposite side of the compass more than halfway and draw a track mark.